This snaps, it changes everything. It changes everything. I already have it installed, but for you guys that don't have it installed, let me just show you how you can get it. You just search. So you search for NAPS 2 on Google and to come up, the website is www.naps2.com. Then from there you can download for your operating system. That is the downloaded file. So now let's open NAPS. And here we have the interface. Like, I don't know how to break this down, but this is like the one of the most simple interfaces I've seen. Very simple and straightforward. Yeah, so I have should I say a file, a PDF file, and I designed it here. I'm feeling myself. So if I want to work on a PDF, I'll just drag it in like this. See, it's importing. So that's how you import. Very simple, very straightforward. This is how you import. I have 6 pages, and if you don't want to import, that way, let me delete this. Delete. You can, always import from here. Import, and then you have it. You can always. So I don't know how to break it down again, but it's like very straightforward. It's very simple. Anyhow you want to import, you can import. Now, what makes this very, like, what's the advantage? It is free. Yes. People like me that like free stuff. But it's actually free, completely free. These are the 6 pages in the file. Now, if you want to rearrange, that is, maybe when they sent you the PDF or when you're working on it, page 2 is meant to be page 3, page 5, it's very simple. All you need to do is drag it. Drag this. Like, as you drag it, it will rearrange itself. Now, what's another cool feature of this? You can even have you can add more than one PDF. So if you want to combine your PDFs, you can actually do that. Let me see. Paste them here. Yeah. So this is another PDF. You can always combine more than one PDF. This is how you do it. You just drag it. I prefer dragging, but whichever one works for you. I drag it in. And as I drag it, it's 3 pages. And it's like, it comes in. Man, what is this bird making noise in the background? So there you have it. You have them. And I can rearrange the way I want. I can change the positioning, however, whatever I want to do, I could do it. So I don't know, there's nothing comes close. It's so easy. It's so easy. The options are here. You can change the language and all. Another advantage of this stuff, it has OCR. Now, to use OCR, you may have to download. Like now, to use the English OCR 14.1. I've used it a few times. Yeah, it's not so perfect, but it's among the best like you could use for a free free fee. Yes. So that's for importing. You can always delete like individual pages. You can delete individual pages if you're deleting a group of pages. You can delete them. And then you could always rotate, like rotate right, rotate left. You could flip. It even has the skew. Yeah, this is the skew is when sometimes we scan and what we are scanning is maybe you bent it where we're scanning, but with this you can straighten it up. So that's it for scanning for rotating. So let me rotate it back to normal. Yes. So then you can work on the image. Each image, you could work on each image individually. So if I want to work on the brightness, the contrasts, your normal this thing now. See, take it down. Sliders, they work perfectly. Yeah. Scroll. Could revert. Let's go. Let's see. From here, I should be able to do all those things. Contrast, brightness, the hue, whatever you want to do, you could do. Now, if you have some images, like maybe you just want to export one page out of all of them, you could just, let me see, select the pages you want. Save the selected. Now, when you come to the menu, just put the name and whatever. That's cool. If you want to export as image, you come here. export as PDF, you come here. Now, you could, we imported this as PDFs, but if you want to also import a picture, you could actually do that. So let me get a picture for us. Let me get a picture. Go to pictures. Yep. Okay. Let me import this. And this is a picture now. It's now part of the whole, So, let me just. There's no need for me to go through the whole. The features are there. You could also scan from here and so many other things you could do. Download the app for yourself and use it. Stop stressing me. Yeah, download the app for yourself and use it. Explore, go through the app. It's there for you. If there's anything you don't understand, you could maybe drop a comment. I could help you with it. But everything you need for basic PDF use, you could do it. So now in conclusion, what can you do with this app? You can edit PDFs. You can import PDFs, rearrange them, edit them, rotate them, deskew them, whatever thing you need to do on the PDF, you can. You can merge PDFs. You could add three different documents, turn them to one PDF. You could remove pages you don't want. That's it. From this app also you could scan. If you have the profile, if you have the scanner, the driver of the scanner on your system, you could scan from this system. You could also email, but people don't really use that. You could print from here, but the basic major purpose is working with PDFs on this app. So I hope this helped you. It will not be proper for me to leave this, should I say, tutorial without saving a PDF. So let's save it. Let me save it to desktop, name it 23. Yeah, don't mind me and my naming patterns. Let's go there to 23. There you have it. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, this page is bigger. So there you have it. Simple and straightforward. If you have any questions, please drop it. And you see all this black stuff. Yeah. It won't show like this when you export. Take note, it won't show like this when you export. So hope this helped you. See you another time. Thank you. Yeah, what are you waiting for? Go home. Yeah. You could share, of course. If you want to share, please share. That would be appreciated. Thank you very much. See you. Peace.